Hey YouTube, how you doing? So, welcome back. I'm Stump Grinder, as you know. So yeah, we got a pretty interesting video for you today. As you can see, I'm not in my normal spot. I am in a place that y'all shouldn't know about. This is my escape from reality. This is where I come to be alone. This is my shed. This is my man cave. And it needs a few updates. It needs a few upgrades. You know, it's pretty dirty. It's a little, it's just a little shed. But let me adjust this here. So I don't know. You know, I don't know if this is a thing on YouTube. I'm gonna try it, but this is gonna be a toolbox cleanup. Because when you see my toolbox, you're gonna like. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen a lot of, watch a lot of toolbox tours and stuff like that, and I'm frankly embarrassed by it. If you want to see my workbench, let me just pan down right over here. This is my workbench. This is my main workbench right here. There's nothing to work. This battery, this is the spot where I keep all my stuff, like work on stuff. There we go. You're hanging off of a tripod on the ceiling. So yeah. Little thing about myself. Yes, this building is crowded, but I can fit a full-size garden tractor. I can fit my Sears with the big ATV tires on it in here perfectly fine to get around and work on it. With my little homemade stool here right behind me. That thing right there, that thing's better than, probably better than a Snap-on or Napa or something. That thing, yeah, it's just an old office chair frame with the cylinder. It's plywood on it. So, yeah. But I can get in here really easily and work, bring a tractor, and I have to move the vise, I have to move the push mower in there and everything. As you see, I got some customers' weed eaters there. So yeah, if you hear that droning noise, it's my fan in the background. It's a two-way fan, so I got it blown out so it doesn't make a different noise. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. No, 5:30, 5:45 in the morning, and nobody's up. And it's like super quiet, drizzling outside. Today's not a day to be working on tractors outside, so, or mowers or whatever I work on. So yeah. Anyway, back to the main part of the video. Let me get y'all set up. I'll give you a toolbox tour. I don't touch anything. I want to see it every. I want to let y'all see everything. So, yeah, let me get this set up, and I'll show you the box. Alright, we're back. Had to move the camera around. I don't know if the lighting's any good. I probably have to move my light over here. We're going to work on a little bit of lighting anyway. But this is my toolbox. So I got two Craftsman 3-drawer toolboxes here. This one's from the late 80s, early 90s here. And as you can see, I got stickers. You know, this is my first toolbox. This was my dad's toolbox that he bought a couple years ago. I took the top off here of it. I put some wood under it just so I could have like a 6-drawer box. And then I got this 3-drawer box right here at work. I paid $40 for it. It had a whole bunch of tools in it. Pretty much all the wrenches that were on top of here, in here, which you'll see later, came from this toolbox. So it's vaguely set up. Power tools, my big impact baby impact here. Chargers, Bluetooth, chargers right here. I got more chargers up here on the wall. Where are you? You are. So I I do have some organization. In this one right here, I got metric standard wrenches. You know, this is my backup set right here. Pliers and whatnot. Won't close for some reason. Weird. There we go. Something fell. Then I have some weed eater stuff, bubbles, and fuel line. So yeah. And over here is my main box. These are all my common tools here. Socket rails. And I got more specialty tools, gasket maker, stuff like that. You know, just random tools. It's somewhat organized, but I want it to be a lot better. I got my main wrenches here. This is what I found to be my favorite set of wrenches, or my favorite brand, Crescent. I absolutely love these wrenches. These things are great. I will show you the one. Well, I might have two Snap-on tools. Two, if I can find it. See if we can look over here. This is my backup screwdrivers. Here it is. This is number one right here. This is Snap-on tool number one. It's a fork of some sort. I think it's a body panel, remember. I'm not too sure. I'm not an auto mechanic. But it's A177A. I've never used it. So yeah. Next tool. This right here. This is my 1/4 inch adapter from Hex to 1/4 inch. This is a Snap-on part GM3043 USA. Warning, non-impact. Well, you know what I do with it? Take my beautiful DeWalt cordless impact here. This is not brushless. This thing's old. I mean, seriously. I'm running aftermarket batteries. They seem to work. This one, you know, they seem to work pretty good. So yeah, I got this one, and then I had a smaller one somewhere. It's somewhere. It probably fell down in here. I don't know. But yeah, right there. This is my main setup for any job. This. So yeah, I got my screwdrivers. I do know how to buy a good decent brand of screwdrivers. I got these Milwaukee's here. These it's like a 7-pack. I bought 2 packs of them. Or no, it's a 6-piece set. Bought 2 sets of them, and I love them. I mean, I beat these things. You know, this is a pry bar to me. You know, I'm a redneck mechanic. I'm not certified anyway. So yeah. Where are you flashing? I don't know. But down here, this is the part where I want to reorganize it. This is mostly 3/8. 3/8 drive. Or 5/8 drive. No, 3/8 drive. Yeah. I'm like, I use 1/4 most of the time. This is my 3/8 drive socket selection right here. Besides some other sockets that I have, they're like really particular. Then I got what's left of the 1/4 inch section right here. Yeah. And then I got my 1/2 inch, which their wrenches were supposed to go. We're probably going to get rid of the inserts. I'm hoping on getting a actual toolbox, but I'm thinking I want to leave this one on top. But I kind of want to put this one, well, I want to take the little tray out. This one has a little tray in it. Take that one out and put it in this one somehow. And put this one on the bottom of this one. So that's kind of what I want to do. And I think we're going to do that. I heard something move over there. Do 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 do. But Let me grab a couple bins and stuff around here. I got around here. We're gonna start emptying out the toolboxes. It's gonna be loud, I know, I'm sorry. But let me find a couple bins. We're gonna start emptying out the toolboxes. Alright, so I got a couple bins here. I got a big one and a couple small ones here. First thing we gotta do, I gotta move this big hunk of battery out of the way, and I gotta move my portable bandsaw, so let me do that real quick. Alright, I got my bin set up here. I already found a few tools on the bench. But I got you probably on the jankiest thing I have. It's a little plastic shelf I got parts and stuff on. So yeah. So let me there we go. Sorry, I had to fix the fan. Alright, so let's start putting all the tools and stuff. So, start taking my clamps off. This is probably the first time in a long time I have taken all my tools out of my box. And I mean every tool out of all 3 boxes. Now, some specialty tools like my Matco compression tester, that's not going to be out. That's going to be hung up top there because it's a high value item for me. So yeah. This is my 1-inch Chinesium. Oh, I'm sorry, this is made in India. This is Indesium. Starter rope for blue. Y or there. I got a little I got an old rag on over the fan, keep it from blowing. Hopefully everybody else keeps falling. So I put a battery on top of that. So these are some homemade socket rails. I mean, they're literally self-tappers in the bottom and just strung up. We're gonna pull the self-tappers out and yeah, that's a waste of self-tappers. So that let's see Dykes 9/16, 7/16, 3/8 ratchet. A bundle of rope. What do we need a bundle of rope on my top shelf for? This is my Icon box. This is my Icon ratchet box. So this is my Icon ratchet. You know, from far away, I could say it's my Snap-on ratchet, or who cares? It's a tool, okay? But this is currently my favorite ratchet. It's 1/4-inch flex head, like $43 at Harbor Freight. Okay. My buddy bought a Snap-on flex head ratchet like this, and I couldn't tell no difference. Yeah, it has a couple more teeth. Yeah, the gears are better. This has got a lifetime warranty, okay? I can take this, I can break this, I can heat it up and bend it. It don't matter. I can take it back Harbor Freight and get it replaced. Just like Snap-on. So sorry, I see that light in the background there. That's still a little there. Sorry. But I use this box for my ratchets. You know, put all my 1/4 inch and 3/8 ratchets in there. So this little box is quite useful. You know, I got tape, I got little wire and stuff. Oh, mother of God. Getting down here to the bottom of it. And I have at least 18 million butt connectors. So yeah. No, I thought that was a Snap-on, man. A little 1/4 inch extension. There's an Apex. Dang it! I thought it was more bougie than that. I don't know. So, I don't know about y'all, I probably definitely organize my toolbox way different than y'all. Okay, usually everybody goes socket, ratchet, socket, wrenches. Me, I really don't care. But yeah, you know, as long as I can get to the tools, I'm fine. And, I got a couple bits in here, a couple spark plugs. There is let's put a hole in there. There's a chainsaw saw. I don't really want that chainsaw saw to use work. What's this? Ah! Aha! Ha ha ha! I'm bougie now. I got a Snap-on 11mm impact. I'm rolling in the dough. Whew. Yeah, this has to be this thing's old. It's got to be old. I don't know. Ready? Snap-on. Just a tool to me. That's all they are. They're tools. You know, the way I go, if it works, it works. The only thing that I really praise, this tool right here. This is my only really expensive tool, and I got it for free. Okay, this thing is like $100-something bucks. This is number 467. This is a Starrett 467 feeler gauge. This is like the best feeler gauge I will ever have. So, and I still got the box, you know, and everything. This is my great-grandfather's Starrett. He did the same thing to me. He worked on lawnmowers. I wish I got his shop. I really do. But, you know, it's life. You know, I would have still been working on lawnmowers. And I probably would have made a lot of money. But his building was cluttered. Very, very cluttered. Kind of like me. But he had like 40 outbuildings, so. But, see, my grandparents and my great-grandmother sold everything. And my great-uncle, he scrapped most of it. I mean, my grandfather had buildings of, he had about 40 Sears SS12s, ST12s, 16 SS12. I have one. I have a 1971 SS12. That's all blue. I love it. He had a couple 16 6s. I got one of those. The motor blew in it, and yeah, I know. I have the rod right here. Right, seized up, and I have the piston. bearing seats up. This is the piston. No, that's not that motor. That's another motor. This one, yeah, it's this one, yeah, that piston. The governor went on it, and yeah, Tecumsehs are great. I'll give them that. Love Tecumsehs. You got to keep up maintenance on them. So yeah. But he had a whole bunch. I got the transmission sitting outside. I got the hood. I got a whole bunch of hoods lined up in the roof here. A couple Sears hoods, a couple John Deere hoods. But I managed to get. So I got this old 4-wheeler. I got this Chinese 4-wheeler, which is junk. Sat in the main shop for years. He never touched anything with it. I got the Case 130. My uncle scrapped the front blade for it. So yeah, I got the Sears 16.6. And with that I got the plow, the disc. Yeah, the plow, the disc, back scrape blade, and a harrow. Yeah, a harrow. Then I managed to get another disc and a front blade. But this was after. Oh, yeah, I got all that besides the other disc and the front blade. Then I got then I got the SS12, and then the 16.6 tore up or went out, and yeah, I'm getting distracted here. And yeah, then I got the disc, and then I got the front blade. The front blade needs a lot of work. So here's your blade here. And here's the slave or the mule drive hookup. And it's like this, like here. And I'm not a great welder, so I'll probably have to hire somebody to weld it. Speaking of which, this is a Cornwell. Yeah. The spot box is clean. We're gonna get this last C-clamp off. And then I got the LT12, which is a snapper. And that thing, you know, it runs. It's got a post twin, 12 horse post twin. And it runs really good. Wow, look, that is just, wow. I ain't seen that thing close in a while. But, let me get it ain't got a box on it, come on. Let me use a piece of cord here. Tied up because I don't want to use one of those. Like, where's my tool? Where's my tool? Sorry. Yeah. Oh look, there's my multimeter. So yeah. See, I had a couple pieces of wood over there. A couple switches under there too, speed square. Yeah, I got that. I got that. Sorry, I'm getting distracted here. I'm looking for a button for sockets. So I got that, and I got that that snapper. That's all I got from him. And yeah, all of them run. Case runs, Blue runs, Snapper runs. Yeah. Then I got two more. The 4-wheeler does not run. The 4-wheeler, I mean, that was part of the block over there. The 4-wheeler, somebody snapped the crank bolt, and I don't have the right tool to do that. You know, I don't have the right tools to do that. I work on simple stuff, cleaning carburetors, getting shit running. I don't do major work like, oh, it's locked up. No, I don't do that. So, that's one type of mower repair I want to do. Yeah, I can do a little bit with like, I can do pulleys and stuff like that, deck stuff. Change valves, oil, air filter, that stuff. Tune up, just valves. And, yeah, there went that sucker. That's been in there for who knows how long. Boom. Got that socket there. Oh, come here. Come here. There you go. I gotta redo wiring and stuff, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, I got what was I talking about? Oh yeah, they all run. All of them run forward. Look, if somebody broke the crankshaft bolt off into there, and I can't do that. I'll probably repeat myself. Yeah, and I don't do major repairs. But, for me, one guy in a little shed, I do alright for myself. I make a few dollars here and there. My neighbors that are family, distant family, they'll stop by, hey, come on by, and, I need help with my lawnmower. I'll make, 40, 50 bucks here and there, But, yeah. That's what I do. I'll work on weed eaters here and there. Both those weed eaters need carb kits. I'm struggling to get, I don't know about you, I'm struggling to get carburetor kits where I'm at. I got a rotary dealer near me. I can get rotary belts all day long. Like, 58 by 73 belt. Or a 5/8 by 73, or a 5/8 by 35, which is the variable speed belt on MTDs with 7-speed. 7-speed with a clutch, by the way, not or 7-speed with the forward and reverse shifter, not the pedal, or without the pedal. Yeah. I think the other ones are a little bit different. I think they're like maybe a couple inches smaller, a couple inches bigger. I'm not too sure. I can get belts just fine, but I can't get carb kits for some reason. I can get rig, Kohler. I can't get weed eater carb kits. I can't get I got a part right here that says his name, I can't remember. Walbro. Can't get Walbro kits for the small two-sucker, I don't know why. Hey, bucket of bolts, or bucket of sockets. Bucket of sockets. I gotta get even crazier, by the way. So yeah. I do what I can. I do a little bit of fabrication here and there. I don't know if you can see it behind me over here, right here. As my welder. And every good little shop's gonna have a welder. All it is a $99 Harbor Freight welder. I'm learning to weld still. So yeah. I'm still learning to weld. I'm slowly learning with my own projects and everything. But yeah. This charger no longer works. We don't need you. Yeah, my old NICAD Charger died. Yeah. Here we are. Ooh, there's stuff in there. There's stuff in there. Wow, this is the first time I've had this clean in a long time. Hey, look. An old steel hat. I mean, you know, I got this from Steel. Shit, it's got, sorry for saying that, it's got stickers. Remnants of stickers. Yeah, this is my hat that I wore a lot. You know, it's wore out, the bells wore out and everything, but dang, go. A little saw. Yeah. Saw, or drywall saw, that's what it is. Cut a box. Right, so. With the chargers, and down here. Like micro USB chargers. And there's that. Gotta go. Fill it out. Yeah, I like moving stuff around, you know, reorganizing, but it's just a pain sometimes. You know what? This thing doesn't have a bounce to it, do it? Dang. Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Perfect. Mallet tie. Bad DeWalt battery. Yeah, that's the bad DeWalt battery. I got a good one DeWalt battery. Oscillating vibrating tools. 2 pistons and cranks. The weed eaters, or chainsaw weed eaters. Roof off, 3-in-1 oil. Spark plug Healy coils for that. Closed twin gaskets. That goes to my brakes box. So yeah. Now we got the wrenches. Wrenches. Sad to say that this black one might go on top. Here's that, we're going to flip the lid. You want to know why? This is just full of nothing but old sockets. Yeah, it's got little random wrenches, tools like that. Here's an original Sears pin for 3-point. Top point pin for a 3-point. For Sears. Yeah. Hey! Mac vice grips. That's a tool to keep. Anyway, oh yeah, there's a way. Keep my Honda. And that tag's not no good anymore. So. it'll be a heavy move. Oh. So we're gonna have to drill these. I'm gonna drill these rivets out for the handle, so I can get in there. So let me grab a drill, drill these out. The drill's right behind y'all, so don't be too scared. This is my fancy drill. It's a Warrior. I chucked somewhere in there. So yeah. Oh, that's ridiculous. Oh, I'm doing good, Bill. Good, man. Just that grill chuck. Or my chuck key is in the fucking pile of parts, or pile of tools. Right. Sorry, we can still make it work. This is a single speed, so all I gotta do is give it a couple bumps. The other direction. There we go. Noise alert! Well, that's how you get that to do that. You just pull. Works the same way with crap. And probably snap on. Nice foot. Doors open. There. Now, I'll put this back on here. I'll put this other one. No. No. This one right here is going there. Battery chargers. probably made it vibrate a little bit, a little something. But yeah, battery charges batteries. Okay. And then this there. Thinking in my head. So. Right. Undo the blue string. I think it's just where this old girl was just beat. And, yeah. There it is. The new setup. So, me personally, I want to get a 22-inch tech cart. And, yeah, I want to get a 22-inch tech cart just to make it a little bit easier for me. Look for my yardstick. Not too sure where it is. Yeah, I know I have a yardstick somewhere. I think that's where I'm gonna leave it here now, guys. We're gonna clean it in a toolbox. No pause. Well, 2 pauses, but that's all right. Change the camera around. But yeah, we're ready. I got these to clean out. A whole bunch of connectors. So yeah, I think once it's full of tools, it'll get settled out and be heavy enough to be, So yeah, I want to thank y'all again for coming along with me. Hope you join next time when we put all the tools back. Thank you. Or at least, if I don't put them all back, on video, at least take a tour. I might leave for a surprise. But yeah, that's for cleaning out my toolboxes. And yeah, hope I'll see y'all again. Hope y'all take the time to visit us here again at Stump Grinder Garage, or Stump Grind Garage. That's what I call it. So yeah, and ciao for now.